Want to know the two best simple ways to cook frozen peas? Hang around. Let's jump into the kitchen and I'll show you. Method number one is couldn't be simpler. We're just going to use a kettle and some boiling water. So you get some peas in a heat-proof container, pour over a heap of boiling water. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then drain, and your peas are ready to eat. You might like to season them with some butter, or you might like to season them with some Parmesan, or might like to eat them straight up. And then my second favorite way to cook frozen peas is in a hot pan. So I'll show you in the kitchen. So I've got a pan on a high heat. I'm just going to get my frozen peas in. So I've got 250 grams, which is about 9 ounces. Pop the lid on. I'm just going to let it cook for a minute or so. So after about a minute, we're just going to get the lid off, give it a stir. Okay, and we're going to get the peas off the heat. So we just want them defrosted, not super cooked. And then for a bonus tip, my third favorite way to cook frozen peas is to roast them. So just pop them on an oven tray and pop them in a hot oven. So I like to use 250C, which is 480F, and they take 7 minutes or so to cook, and you can pop in a piece of salmon with it or some chicken with it as well, and you've got a whole meal ready to go. Yeah, so if you found this useful, I should have introduced myself at the beginning. My name's Jules Clancy. I'm an Australian food scientist turned extremely simple cooking coach. And so I am all about keeping it as simple as possible in the kitchen. Subscribe to the channel for more cooking tips, and also post recipes every week with 3 ingredients. Well, they're 3+ ingredients. So sometimes 3, sometimes a little bit more. So yeah, subscribe so you can get those every Monday. And bye.